Hello everyone, today I am showing Woodakh decor and gift product. This is gift and decor car made of pure wood, and it is quite gift which suits at the child's birthday party. It is also kept in the house for decor pieces. The good thing about it is that it is in the color of natural wood. Lacquer is applied on it to protect the natural color. For customized order, call now or contact number +92 332 2376 101. For more contact option, watch the end of the video to contact us directly. Thanks for watching.